for your night. My name's Lex Neville and I'll be showing you through the craft today. Here we have loads of shrubs, flowers and leaves, a few pebbles and a bit of water for our craft. So you might not be able to guess what we're going to do today, but we're going to make a small world. This can be for insects or just for a bit of fun. So for first of all, we're going to pack in that moss nice and tightly into the glass. I've chosen a large enough glass for my hand because I have big hands. However, you can do it in a jar or in a little tub. As you see, the stalk tub next to me might be suitable for you, but it can be something for, say, insects. You can place it outside and see what insects come and visit, or you can just do it for a bit of fun, as I said. So we've put a little daisy in there and a few little bits of flowers, and they're gonna act as a tree. A big bit of lavender there is a bit wonky, however, just play around until you get it into the position that you like. Little daisies again there, and just put them wherever you like. I found the best area to put the flowers was up against the wall of the glass. However, it's up to you where you put them. You could even make some man-made holes for them to go in, and if you didn't have any moss or anything, soil would work perfectly fine as well. Unfortunately, I did not have any soil. However, that would be very good to use. I'm just picking up these little stones now, and this made a really good touch on my little world because they look like boulders and stuff like that. So yeah, just drop them in where you think you might like them. And there we have it. So I did fill it up with water to see how it would look, and it looked a lot better, to be honest. I did end up doing a little pond for them in a square tub with a few shrubs and moss as well, so they had the choice there. But I hope you enjoyed your tutorial today, and I look forward to seeing the pictures in the comments below.